In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect external accounts on your Twitch account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you had connected any accounts such as Amazon or even your YouTube account on Steam and you wish to disconnect them, then just follow these steps. In the first method, you need to go ahead and log into your Twitch account and then go ahead and click on your profile icon up here and choose settings. Now under settings, go ahead and click on this option called connections, and here you'll be able to see all the platforms that you connected to Twitch. As you can see, I have my YouTube account connected to Twitch and I wish to disconnect it. Now to disconnect, go to the account you wish to disconnect. For instance, I wish to disconnect YouTube and then click on disconnect here. And here you have to confirm that indeed you want to disconnect this YouTube account. Go ahead and click on yes, disconnect, and the channel will be disconnected immediately. From now henceforth, the two will no longer be linked. So that's how you can disconnect any external account on Twitch. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.